So with these 4Runner, last time that I got the check engine light with the VSC track light alarm on, I went to the store. I went to another zone or O'Reilly's, I can't remember, and I bought a replacement gas cap because that's normally what makes that alarm trigger on the control panel on the dashboard. And it worked for a while, and now the light came back on. So instead of just buying just a generic gas cap, I went ahead and I bought an actual OEM replacement to see if that does better. So before I replace this, one of the things I noticed is that this is pretty dirty. So I'm just going to take some Windex and try to clean around, just make sure everything's just nice and clean, that nothing's getting into the gas tank that shouldn't be there. It's just a good practice to keep things clean, especially in those hard to reach spots in your car where you don't want dust, anything getting in there. I hope this trick fixes it. Okay, so that's clean enough. So now this is the new gas cap, and you can actually see right there, it tells you that you need to tighten the cap until it clicks, or a malfunction indicator light may come on, and that's what happened. Now this gas cap, the generic one, take a look, is a little bit different. The seal around it is also a little bit different. It worked for a while, but it went bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it and see if the problem goes away. One good thing about this guy is that it comes with an actual detent right there, so that next time that you go to the gas station, then you won't lose it. So I am going to put it on, and I'm going to wait until it clicks like that. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to try and see if the alarm is off. Okay, so now that we replaced the gas cap to an OEM, let's see if the check engine light and the VSC light no longer come on. So I'll start the car, and the check engine light is no longer on, and the VSC track also not on. So hopefully that'll help you. And if you like the video and it is helpful, like us or subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Good luck.